Welcome back to another episode in this portrait drawing of the smiling. Last time we already studied the nose, and today we are going to study the mouth. The paper I'm using is still the Arteza mixed media pad. It's 110 pounds. It's very good drawing paper. The drawing tool I'm using the Arteza professional quality pencils, and including the 14B, which I'm going to try it today. If this is your first time watching my videos, this channel is all about how to make drawing and painting fun and easy. If you'd like to learn more about portrait drawing and painting, please subscribe and turn on notification. Let's start with a B. Okay, let's plan the location of the mouth. So I'm going to draw the side over here and the other side coming all the way here. So this is the corner of the mouth. So we can draw the shape of a leaf. Let's see which side is higher. Actually, it's about horizontal. So this is the left side, and this would be the right side. Just look at the outside, the big shape. Keep it loose. Keep it simple. There's the bottom of the upper lip. This about the center. And as well as the bottom here, there's the center line from the top coming down like this, because her face turning a little bit toward the left side. Okay. Just roughly draw the big area, the big proportion. One thing is very important. You need to carry a feeling. We start from the beginning and have the feeling all the way with you as you draw through the entire process. And the feeling, and try to, when someone's smiling, try to get this smiling also on your face, and as you draw through it, so you can actually carry that feeling, the same feeling, all the way toward the finish of the drawing. Like that. So this is the rough shape of the mouth. And on this corner, here you go. Just put a little rough, simple shape. Or you can draw a little bit of the nose, the bottom over here, and that's it. So how we're going to finish this? Right now we just start the really rough. The next thing what we're going to do. The next thing, of course, we're going to look into the proportion. This is the left side, the corner, and this is the right corner of the mouth. Right over here, like that. That is the triangle. We're going to find out the height of the mouth according to the width of the mouth. Let's do a little measurement. I'm going to take the height of the mouth on the reference. I'm going to see how many of the height for the width of the mouth. Interesting. It's about 2.5. So with that knowledge, so what we're going to do, we're going to cut this into roughly 1, 2.5. So I'm going to take this and rotate it 90 degrees. So this is the height. So I'm going to mark if the top over here, the bottom will be here. And what is the top? The top, actually, I wrap it out like this. So that means this can be a little bit higher. And then this comes down a little bit like that. Now that's good. The biggest proportion, we already nail it. The next thing is, within this vertical space, how can we divide this? And let's take a look. Interesting. We can actually divide into exact 3 proportion. But the 3 is just not for the upper lip. And let me show you. I'm going to say 1 over here, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and like that. It's a little bit lower. So what is the 1? The 1 is not exactly the bottom of the upper lip. It actually the top of the T. Okay, so and the bottom of the upper lip is right over here. There's some gap between here and there. Just find a way to measure it. There's many different ways to do it. Like that. And this is the bottom of the T. Take a look at the whole direction, like this line and this line. Don't rush into the details. I say that every time, but however, some of our members do cannot wait. Need to give enough attention at the bigger relationship. Make sure you have enough time on it before you move on. And there's a little triangle over here, like that. A pencil B is already pretty dark. Okay, that's good. Right, that's okay, that's good. The proportion is already correct. Already check. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to fill in into their local colors. When we draw the nose, we know is all the skin color is the same, right? Now we're looking at the lips and the teeth and the skin. They are 3 different color tones. They're different values. So now I'm going to use a little bit lighter pencil. So I'm going to take this 4 pencil in my hand and press the HB. Okay, I'm going to use a 2H. So first, I'm going to going toward the directions of the form. like over here, and then moving toward this side. Set the average color tone, and over here and turn it like this. It's called cross contour. Like that. That's good. And on this side over here, it's actually turning, coming over here and turning up like that. Okay, we just apply the skin tone, and also the same skin tone will also under here too. Yeah, take a look at the surface direction. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to come in to give some darker tone on the lip. Let's do one direction first, and then turn in this way. Now it looks flat. We're gonna make it look curve, dimensional. Okay, and now another direction. That's good. That's very good. Convincing details like that. And over here is curve this with direction. Like that. Okay, it's much darker than the regular skin color. Okay, on here, on the lower lip, also going to apply some little darker color. That's good. Now it looks much better dimension. Now I'm going to look into the color of the T. Now I'm going to use a little bit later. I'm going to use 4H. This is the middle, right? In the middle over here, coming toward a little bit toward the right side. That is a little triangle, a little gap over here, like that. And there's a little gap. I'm gonna filled in. Okay, think about the value and the value contrast between those different colors. And this color is a little bit darker than outside skin, but is lighter than the lip. Now I'm going to see this actually turning a little bit quicker, this turning a little bit slower. So I'm going to also use this direction, which is not the direction of this surface. Like that. Okay, now this needs to be darker. Okay, go in the same direction as how the surface is turning. Now I'm also going to lift up a little light shape over here. This doesn't need to be very light. That's good. Okay, I'm going to use the blender. I'm going to soften that a little bit. I don't want to over soften it. That's good. Now I'm gonna work into the lips a little bit more. And look at the outside over here. Here's the direction. Okay, now getting there. I'm gonna use 3H. I'm gonna add a little bit more details, a little bit more definitions to the lip. There you go. That's good. We really want to show how the lips turn. Now we're going to set a little bit darker color in the corner of the mouth. So I'm going to go with the darkest color, 14B. Okay. Right over here. I think I'm going to lighten this a little bit. Now I'm going to see how dark it can. It's very dark. Okay. Pay attention to the shape. Okay, I think we already finished the drawing of the mouth. Next, we're going to learn how to draw the hair. This channel is all about how to make drawing and painting fun and easy. If you'd like to learn more about portrait drawing and painting, please subscribe and turn on notification. If you can support us, join our Enjoying Art artist community. You can upload your drawing and painting. You can get feedback. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video.